everyone, this is Kelly. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm coming to you with an Ulta haul. I just couldn't help myself. So let's see what we have. This is all gluten-free stuff. First, I have these Ahava, I think I'm saying that right, mineral bath salt in the scent of lavender. And these are just treats for me right now. What with moving and being stressful and all of the stuff that's happening, thought I could use that. And these are from Makeup Revolution, and I just discovered that these are gluten-free. So I'm really excited about that. They're still sealed. I haven't tried them, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about them, okay? But yeah, they're gluten-free, so yay! And let's see. Oh, okay, this I went a little nutty. I have never before seen Morphe brushes, and at the Ulta that's close to me, they have them out and they're selling them, and so I was like, okay, I tried them, and the price point was amazing, and to me they feel like MAC brushes. So I haven't played with these yet. I wanted to film this for you first, but this is an M510, M433, M514, M514, M433, there's a pencil brush, M431, and M505. So I went ahead and picked these up just for me, and plus my brushes are still packed. Everything is still packed. I'm so busy doing renovation and work on my house that I haven't found them yet. And this was my birthday present, and I have wanted to try this for a long time, and when I first started getting into makeup a few years ago, this blush was all the rage, and but I thought, oh, it's too peachy for my skin tone, but let's see. Oh, that looks pink. Okay. That's pretty, a little shimmery. Oh, what, is this supposed to be a highlighter? Let's see. Oh, it's a blush, and it's in the color Orgasm. No, it's a blush. Huh. Interesting. That'd be a nice, also be a nice eyeshadow. So anyway, that's my Ulta haul, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching with me today, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you join me here at my doll house, and subscribe and all that good stuff. So anyway, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.